What's up, people? Today I'm running fish. Well, really, I'm just about done in a few seconds. You know what I'm saying? And I turned the camera on a little late. It looked like that camera was big and like they done, you know, this is a regular camera that's inside the computer that I actually did the video. Man, look, I've been spending the last couple of weeks working hard trying to take care of my feet today. I really have been checking my gums. I've been going through it, checking everything. Just, I feel like I've just been my own personal X-ray of examining myself because I'm very picky about if it's whatever I be checking. Sometimes, man, I mean, I really take that really seriously. Even more so now. You know what I'm saying? You know, uh, make sure the gums are healthy. I don't. I'm one of those people. Let me tell you the type of person that I am. I'm one of those people. I don't like to claim something, even though I have a feeling that it could be that way. Uh, it's like no, you can't doubt it. I'm still trying to fight to find a way, a solution, a possibility is to reverse it. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? I'm trying to find a way to uh, reduce it and make it popular, make it like take a right turn, even though you feel like everything is going to make a different turn or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Um, yes, and it's been time for me to get this out. Hold on, y'all. Let me take this. Yes, right. Hope I ain't leave it in there too long. I'm not gonna let her know that the other does the food is done. Let me tell some time. I hope it I hope it tastes good as it looks. I really do. The fish is done. Hold on. The fish is done. Yo, that's like Spanish rice. Spanish rice. That's exactly what it is. Now I can put it on low. Yeah. Well, the stuff is done. So I'm gonna see y'all later here. I'm up out of here. I cooked some fish and Spanish and heated up some Spanish rice. That's what I named the video.